The first problem on the air packet says, in 2014, the population of Hong Kong was estimated to be approximately 7,112,588 people. The city covers an area of approximately 426.25 square miles. What is the population density of Hong Kong in 2014 in people per square mile rounded to the nearest person? To complete this problem, it's important to look at your units. So it says in people per square mile. So per tells us that we should be dividing. So I'm going to take the people, so 7,112,588. Again, per means divide, so I'm going to divide by the number of square miles, 426.25. And when I do that, I get 16,686.4 people per square mile. But at the end of this problem, it said round to the nearest person. When you're rounding something like people, if I have 0.4 of a person, it's not considered a full other person. So we actually are going to round down, even if this was 0.8, say. Typically, if it's 5 or above, we're going to round up. But in this case, because we don't have another whole person, we would round down regardless. So 16,686 people per square mile.